Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Acelerada TikTok trend edit using Inshot. It's a really fun effect that makes your video look dynamic, modes with smooth keyframes animations. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open up Inshot and then import your clips like this. And then now we're going to split it into 8 smaller clips like this. Will make it easier to control the movement and effect for each part of the video. And once that's done, just add your background music so you can sync the edits perfectly with the beat. Just select the first clips and then go to crop and then just crop it same as the frame into a 3:4 frame ratio. For example, like this. This will give us the base framing to animate from. And now it's time to add animations. For clip 2 to 4, add 4 keyframes each, like this. And we will make the frame move from left to right smoothly, like this. Just add keyframe like this. Like this. And then don't forget to add S on the between first keyframes and two keyframes. Add this S between third and fourth keyframe. Just add same S like this. And then just repeat these steps into all clips. And then for clip 5, we'll do something different. Add 3 keyframes like this. And then zoom in slightly on the middle keyframes so it creates a pop-in zoom effect that adds energy. And then don't forget to add it like this. And then for clip 6 until 8, we will repeat a similar process to clip 2 to 4. Just add 4 keyframes, but this time animate the frame moving from right to left. This creates a nice back and forth rhythm in the video. And next, on the beginning of the five clips, just add black overlay like this, and then just adjust the durations. For example, like this, and then go to max, adjust the max like this, and then add keyframes at the start and the end. And on the first keyframes, adjust the max until it covers all frames like this. Like this, and then next, on every between clips, just add blue overlay. Go to BIP and then add blue overlay like this. adjust the durations, go to plan, and then choose overlay like this. Add 3 keyframes like this. And then on the first and last keyframes, adjust the opacity to 0. And then copy this overlay and then place it on every clips. And just export the clips. And then just import the clips after last clip like this. And then just delete the first clip. And your video will look like this. Okay, like this, you now have the Accelerated TikTok edit made entirely in Inshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!